So temporary hair color means pretty much exactly that. It's temporary. So on like normally balanced hair, which means great amount of protein, great amount of moisture, it's doing its thing, what you can expect is that it's just gonna sit on the surface. It's not gonna penetrate. We're not lifting up the cuticle. It's just gonna sit there and do its little thing and be fabulous and sparkle and shine. Now, they can come in several different ways, like from liquids and rinses to color mousses, even like color refreshers, sprays. Think of your root touch-ups. The world to play in temporary hair color truly is yours to explore, and I want to encourage you to do so, because if you haven't ever done hair color before, you might explore and experience and discover this color unicorn inside of you that you never knew existed. So, you know, not everything has to be permanent. Temporary colors won't lighten the hair. They don't have the ability to do so. Again, they're just designed to deposit, and they're water soluble. So think about that. When we're talking temporary, we mean like shampooed out. So what you see with temporary hair colors really is exactly what you're gonna get. If that jar, if that mousse, if that spray says neon pink, it's pretty much the color you're gonna get. Keep in mind too, those little rules of color, it absorbs into whatever tone you have. If you're bleach blonde and you've lifted the cuticle's already roughed up, so that direct dye is gonna nestle in and kind of outstay its welcome. If you're the silver fox, what you're essentially doing is taking a white canvas and throwing some paint on it. So yeah, you might take that canvas off, but if you do a sheer layer, you're still gonna see, maybe when the light reflects on it, a little bit of tone left in there. So I will warn you, yeah, yes, they're temporary, unless you have like white hair. Then you might see a little bit. In the color ladder, we're moving up the ranks a little bit, and we're now at semi-permanent, okay? So it's still a non-oxidative hair color, meaning we don't have to use any lotion or potion to make it work. The molecule of the color itself is still large. So you are gonna get that color deposit sitting on the surface, but it is a little bit more powerful and can nestle under that cuticle a lot better than a temporary color. So let's say temporary color molecule is this large, semi-permanent goes down a little bit, and then we'll go to demi-permanent, which probably gets lower, and then we'll get a ton of smaller color molecules as we go up to permanent. Why? Because we need them to get in there. Now, let's talk about like stay power with a semi-permanent hair color. You can expect about 4 to 6 shampoos. So think about this. When you're doing your at-home color consultation on yourself and you're selecting which products to choose, semi-permanent might be exactly enough. You're just looking for a temporary change, but you want a little more hold power. So yes, they do wash out after 4 to 6 shampoos, unless they're layered. So the more you layer, and this is kind of true with all hair colors, the more you layer, the more you layer, the more that's left. So if you're looking for 4 to 6 shampoos truly, just do it once. So semi-permanents are a great option, and they can also be used on pre-lightened hair. Keep in mind, anytime you put big color on top of white, you will get true to tone results. So if you have hot pink can and you have lighter hair, you will get hot pink. Okay, I want to refer back to porosity. And if you haven't seen the video on porosity, I mean, we have a whole video universe for you to explore. I really would like for you to know that information, because porosity is really gonna come into play here. If you have overly porous hair, this is where that semi-permanent hair color is just going to get sucked into the hair fiber and really hang on. So you might need to balance out the porosity before you apply a semi-permanent hair color. And this is as simple as just putting a conditioner on your hair first. That conditioner and those oils will act as a buffer. And if you think of a road that has potholes in it, this is kind of your way to fill in those potholes. So where those pigments would fall into those holes and kind of stay, the conditioner is a great way to buffer that, and the staining isn't as great. If you're motivated and inspired and excited to get the color party started, I want you to click all the links below so you can access and discover what color might be right for you. I was on my way to meet my friend Flamboyant, so I thought I'd dress up. But before we go, make sure you like and subscribe so you get in on the action too.